Hey there, I am excited to partner with Puffy Mattresses. They sent this for our guest room. So I'm going to show you, we're going to do an unboxing of this Puffy mattress. So we're going to take it out of the box and open up the plastic wrap, and you can see how it works. It starts opening up and forming in the plastic wrap. So all right, we're gonna pull the mattress out first and then open up. The mattress is very heavy too, by the way. It weighs a lot. The plastic. Okay, and we're unwrapping all of this wrapping that's on there.
Back it down.
Okay, we're almost finished with the wrapping. Now it's got to come out of the...
Now, which side is top? Which is top?
Out of here.
One's the toughest. Patrick, you want to do the...
Okay, we've got it positioned on the bed, and I'm getting ready to cut the plastic off. So as soon as we do that, it should pop open. I hear the air coming out. And we just have to get all this plastic off of here. And it starts inflating. It's pretty neat. It's fun watching these come up. And this is going to be a total of 12 inches thick. This is the Puffy Hybrid mattress. It's called the Luxe Hybrid. Just pull it out maybe from the top.
Just, let's get the top.
Oh, it's pillows. We also got Puffy pillows. These feel really nice too. Okay. And you can see the bed is popped up. It feels great. It's very nice and soft. So that's our Puffy mattress unboxing. It feels really nice. Very, very nice. So check them out. If you want a new mattress, check out Puffy. And that's it. That's our Puffy mattress unboxing. The mattress feels really nice, and it's sort of on the soft side. It's a hybrid mattress, and it feels really good. So do these pillows. Really, really nice. Thank you, Puffy, for sending us a mattress for the guest room. I love how it looks.